Hi guys, we are Virgin Hair Vietnam. Today we will show you 3 types of blade closure that Immersed offer at the moment. 3-part, middle part and 3-part. The first choice, a closure 3-part. You can part this closure any way you want. You can create a zigzag or a deep part, and you can part it any way like parting your own natural hair. A 5x5 closure 3-part waterwork in this video could be a good choice for you this summer. Next, we have middle part. You can call it center part or deep part. And we have here a 5x5 closure middle part body wave. A middle part closure helps you have a bobbier hairstyle in a short time. Middle part leg closure has more hair on 2 sides. We can make your hair more natural, realistic, and long-lasting. Finally, we have 3-part closure. 3-part closure is a unique and flexible leg closure. The difference of 3-part is it has 3 partings already fixed, allowing for various styles. They are on the right and left of the closure and in the center. That's some out of sharing today. Hope you like that. Now it's time to say goodbye and see you next time.